Hi friends, we are back with today's questions on enzymology and bioenergetics. I, Professor Girish Kukreja, is here with you with again these true or false kind of questions, right? Such jhoot hum hamesha tolte rehte in this biochemistry also. So the question for today is that Km of some of the enzymes may be altered by the presence of a metabolite which is structurally unrelated to the substrate, right? Now let us work it out before we try to find out whether this is true or false. Let us try to understand the meaning of this entire sentence. Km, they are talking about Km, that is the affinity of the enzyme towards the substrate. We know that if the affinity of the enzyme towards the substrate it changes, Km also changes. Affinity is more, Km is less. Affinity is less, Km is more. So is there a enzyme, right, regulatory enzyme where the Km value, it may be changed by a metabolite which is not related structurally to the substrate. Now there are many such instances, like you will find that a typical reaction where you have a typical feedback inhibition where your A is being converted to B, is being converted to C, is being converted to D is being converted to E. You have different enzymes involved in it and you have this as a regulatory enzyme. Now this E, the last end product we know, can go and inhibit this particular enzyme, right? Now this E may not be structurally related to A, but now once E has bound to this A, the affinity of A towards this particular substrate A, it changes significantly. So therefore, an unrelated compound can change the affinity of the enzyme towards its substrate and therefore it can change the value of the Km. So the Km value of A is changed because of E, which is not structurally related to A. So this particular statement here is true, right? So we found that this is true. Second statement says that delta G0 prime is approximately equal to delta G0 for hydrolysis of ATP to form ADP. Now both are constant. This is a transformed biochemical constant. This is also a constant free energy change. This statement is false. Basically because hydrolysis of ATP we know is involving the formation of H+, because we say that ATP plus H2O to form ADP plus Pi and your H+, right? So when we are calculating this delta G0, we are calculating this at pH 0, and when we are calculating this, we are calculating at pH 7. So concentration of H+ is they are same. The reaction, it involves the formation of H+, and therefore for sure these two values, they are not going to be same. So this statement that these values are approximately similar is false. Stay tuned with us for more such questions. Thank you.